We all expect the judicial system to be fair, but today we learned a mistrial in a capital murder case last year will now lead to a prosecutorial misconduct allegation. It's against Williamson County DA Jana Duty. Crispin Harmel was on trial for the murder of Jessika Kalaher, but the judge ruled the defense did not get a fair chance to see time-stamped surveillance video. Up until now, that was chalked up to a computer issue. But as KXAN's Crispin Harmel explains, the defense team now believes it was all planned.
Last May, this video caused this trial to end in a mistrial, and it was literally a matter of time.
It would show the video, but it wouldn't show any sort of timestamps.
First Assistant DA Mark Bruner said key surveillance videos showing Crispin Harmel and Jessika Kalaher at Walmart had timestamps, but accessing them proved tricky due to equipment issues.
They asked us how to access the timestamps, and we basically said, we don't have an answer for you, because at that time we didn't.
Over a weekend during the trial, Bruner said he found out how to access the timestamps, but defense attorney Ryan Deck said that changed their whole case.
And once the state sprung this new information on us in the middle of trial, we were sunk.
A mistrial was declared, but Wednesday the defense alleged that Jana Duty may have planned it that way. The key exhibit in the paperwork is Exhibit H. That's a sworn affidavit from Roger Harris. He was an investigator in the DA's office, and he said prior to trial, he saw Jana Duty watching that video with timestamps.
He was very adamant that, in fact, she did see the timestamps without question.
This wasn't Mr. Harris's case. He may have, I don't know what he thought he saw or what he says he saw.
Bruner says withholding the video and the timestamps would make no sense.
And there was no reason for us to have hidden information from the defense that was actually helpful to us.
And he can say that those timestamps benefited the state. I'm not convinced of that at all.
A retrial with the timestamps is scheduled for March 30th, but if misconduct is found, it may not happen at all. From Georgetown, Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.
The defense has requested a hearing before the judge in this case. If the judge determines prosecutor misconduct took place, double jeopardy law would prevent the case from being retried. Roger Harris left the office before writing the sworn affidavit. The DA's office declined to comment today about what led to his exit. So why does all this matter? State law requires a prosecutor to turn over all their evidence to the defense. It's all meant to keep the justice system fair. Remember, in a trial, you are innocent until proven guilty, so defense attorneys need enough time to know how to respond.